part of the family. You guys are great. Thank you, Papa. You too, Dad. Daughter, hello, lady. How are you? I know you're...
Hey, so we're having fun at the 2024 RV Supershow. This is part 4 of our video series, and we're looking at fifth wheels. So if you're interested in one of those, check it out. Okay, we got a Keystone Alpine here. So maybe you are in the market for a fifth wheel. Who knows, right? Let's check this one out. So this is a 3303 CK from General RV. And this is 13,133 pounds with a length of 37'3", which is something that you are going to need to know. Right. So, yeah. Very nice theater seating. Oh yeah, big fireplace, big TV. You have a sofa bed back here. Very spacious. Tall ceilings, ceiling fan here, which is nice. Nice big kitchen. Huge island, plus another food prep area here, or an area to put your coffee maker. Full-size refrigerator. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, look at that insignia oven and stove there. Let's take a look up here real quick. Oh yeah, nice. Wow, big. Look at that. Dual sinks, large vanity area, dual mirrors. Nice big shower. And in the master bedroom. Well, that's a huge bed, yeah. Big bed, nice big closet, washer dryer connections. Yeah, very nice. All right, let's check this out. This is a east to west Tandara. Okay, so this is kind of a more of a smaller, more entry level fifth wheel. So we got a nice big awning across there. Got some outdoor storage. Ooh, Moride suspension. That's always a good thing for sure. Some nice entry sets. Let's take a look on the inside here. All right. So we'll have a wraparound dinette. Okay, yeah. Nice sloping ceiling, so gives you takes away that claustrophobic feeling. So, oh yeah, this is spacious on the inside. The light colors, which I like, which definitely take away that claustrophobic feeling. Big TV, which I always enjoy. Nice spacious kitchen area here. You got your oven along with a 3-burner cooktop, microwave, barn sink, or farm sink, not a barn sink. Yeah. Refrigerator and freezer, and look at this, the pantry. These are always nice. Carry all kinds of stuff in there. Always enjoy the theater seating for sure. Makes it for a nice, comfortable movie experience. And of course your wraparound dinette that will convert for sleeping. You have a lot of, I mean, look at all this space here on the floor. You have a dance contest in here. So let's go back here to the bedroom and check it out. So there's your master bedroom. Have some wardrobe space, which is nice, huh? Get some more on this wall. Space there for your TV. And into the bathroom. Yeah. Nice spacious bathroom. Very nice.
Check out our Wander Open Roads travel gear shop in Etsy. Click on the link in the description.
All right, guys, let's check out this Chapparel fifth wheel. This is from Coachman. This is a light version of a fifth wheel, so you don't have to have a dually truck or anything like that. You could probably tow this with probably more like about a 2500 series. So have some outside storage, nice big awning that pretty much goes the full length. Let's take a look on the inside here. This is a 254 RLS. 254 RLS. Ooh, I see the Thomas Paine sofa bed here, which those are always very nice. Okay, nice dinette on the slide out here. Little entertainment nook here. Big TV, sound bar. And here is your kitchen. Nice L-shaped kitchen. You have definitely feature some Furrion appliances and different things. So refrigerator, freezer, microwave, 3-burner cooktop and oven. And let's go up here to the bedroom. All right, nice sized bedroom. A little bit of storage. Not don't really have closets per se. Oh, until you go over to the other side here. Look at this. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, there's a place for your hanging clothes, some more drawers. So yeah, that is a legitimate closet right there. And then we come in here, and there's your bathroom. Okay, so not bad. Kind of a smaller fifth wheel, but definitely with some good space in here. All right.
Let's take a look inside of this Saber 36 FLX. Ooh, so you have a kind of bunk area for the kitties. Here is the bathroom. Shower has a seat in it. Has the glass doors. In the bedroom, looks like we have a king size bed. Get some light on the situation. We have barn doors in the closet. Looks like they are locked, so it is prepped for a washer and dryer here. You have some storage right across from the bed, and then the TV would go there. All right, going to the back of the fifth wheel. So we're in the kitchen, so we do have an island. Wow, that's a really nice refrigerator. Nice oven. I love the grates on this stove. Farm sink with storage. Have your pantry here. Your TV with storage above and a fireplace below. Your sofa, I'm assuming that's a sofa bed with above storage. Lots of windows. Look at these windows. Seems like endless windows. Nice. You have your recliner with 4 cup holders and your table with chairs and the bench on the other side. And then you have your, what I'm going to call the bonus room. I guess it could be the kids' room. See if there's a light in here. All right, so you have a fold-down bed with a sofa, little storage area, and a desk. And then the TV would go here with storage above. So let's just do a nice little look. Very nice fifth wheel. So in this Rockwood RW signature, we do have, I'm assuming this is probably like an outdoor kitchen because of the size, and that's probably like a place where you can store or hang your grill. And then you have your pass-through storage here. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. This is a R372RL Rockwood RW signature by Forest River. As I go up the steps here, I do see that they have a safety rail. So this is actually really nice because sometimes it can be hard getting inside of these fifth wheels. So using the safety rail, we're gonna take a right here and go to the bedroom first. See if we can locate a light. No power. All right, so we have a king size bed. Have your wardrobe area here. In front of the bed, you have a dresser and TV, some big windows. And then you have the bathroom right next to it. So bowl, sink, medicine cabinet, your shower with a seat, and some storage as well for your linen. Let's go downstairs into the living area. So in the kitchen area, we have a nice sized pantry area. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, nice big pantry area. And you have kind of like your butcher's pantry. Nice and big. Nice full-size refrigerator island with a one single sink with a rack cover. And I'm sure this has storage as well. You have a full-size, let me repeat, full-size stove and oven. Full-size microwave with storage. The living room area, you have dual reclining chairs here with 4 cup holders. Nice big windows all around. Nice sofa here. I like the cloth. I'm a bigger fan of cloth than leather. Nice big windows. Storage cabinets above. And you also have a fan and a vent fan as well. Across from the recliners, you have a nice big TV and fireplace. I really love when they have those. And then for your dining area, you have your 2 moving chairs with a bench seat. So kind of like a combo of a bench and just a dining chair set as well. So, oh, I kind of like the light fixture as well. Like, I really like what they're doing with the light fixtures in RVs these days. So here is a last look. So let me just get closer to the door and then we will do a nice little pan.
Hey, so we hope you enjoyed those fifth wheels, and maybe if you are in the market, you should definitely check some of those out. Once again, we are not being paid for any of these videos. We are not sponsored by any of these companies. These are just our personal opinions. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure, and we will see you next time.
Wander safely.